Reporting live from Boston News, I'm Rachel Miller.
And I'm Cecilia Baggett.
News breaking story, we have a group of about 40 associates making their way into work today. The reason, they say, is to provide world-class excellence for their travelers. We must say, we are very inspired. This is Rachel Miller reporting live from Boston.
Stay warm.
Cecilia, any update on the weather?
As you can see, the winds are coming due northeast. And they're trying to push the people in. It's getting crazy out here. What a procession of Grand Circle associates, fueled by world-class excellence, just trying to get to their jobs.
Customer satisfaction is #1, regardless of anything.
Breaking news! Grand Circle to the rescue.
Grand Circle associates helping others,
trying to help others, living the values.
Give me a picture.
Oh, it's cold out here.
Hello. Tell me about the storm.
You know, it's blowing out of control out here. I'm surprised. It's a good thing we're all together.
Rachel Miller, tell me about the storm.
Well, Cecilia, we knew that we were going to see winds of about 40 miles per hour. I'm thinking they're closer to 43.8. Stay tuned. And here we are, reporting live from Boston. The associates making it in, one by one, safely.
Safe and sound.
More updates to come.